Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back quickly to the general list, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on see all 50 apps, of course 50 apps in my case. You can have different number, and then after tapping on it we have to choose this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.